Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing complete details about some beautiful and easy to grow plants like rubber plant, Rhoeo plant, Pandanus plant, silver lady plant and Syngonium plant. These plants are perfect for home and indoor decoration and also help in improving air quality. In this video, I have explained everything clearly including sunlight requirements, watering methods, soil mix, pot selection, and regular care and maintenance tips. I have shared simple and practical tips that anyone can follow even if you are new to gardening. This video is very informative and helpful for plant lovers who want healthy and fast growing plants at home. So watch the full video to learn easy plant care and make your home greener and more beautiful. Today's first plant is rubber plant. It's loved for its big, glossy green leaves and low maintenance nature. It's a tropical evergreen that not only looks beautiful in living rooms, offices, bedrooms, or balconies, but also helps purify the air by reducing common indoor toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. For care tips, position your rubber plant in bright, indirect light. It thrives near sunny windows but avoid harsh, direct sun that can burn the leaves. Water moderately only when the topsoil feels slightly dry and make sure the pot has good drainage so that roots never sit in water. A well-draining mix of garden soil, coco peat and perlite or organic compost works best. Regular misting and occasional feeding with a balanced liquid fertilizer during the growing season helps keep the leaves shiny and healthy. Repot the plant every year or when roots outgrow the pot to give it room for growth. Rubber plants are very forgiving for beginners. They can tolerate medium light and occasional mist watering, but they grow best when given consistent care with the right light, water, and soil. This plant will grow tall and last, adding a rich, elegant touch to any indoor space. For price, smaller sapling or basic potted plants online or local nurseries in India often start from very affordable ranges like 69 to 199 for basic saplings and 249 to 499 for common indoor sizes. Larger or decorative varieties like burgundy, variegated or premium indoor pots typically cost for 499 up to around 1500 or more depending on size and look. You can find options like rubber tree plant, ficus elastic rubber plant, plant some ficus elastic house plant, rubber plant variegated to choose from online. Prices may vary by seller and size of the plant, but overall it's a budget friendly and highly rewarding plant for your home. Next plant is Rhoeo plant, commonly known as oyster plant and pot lily, is a beautiful ornamental plant famous for its green leaves on top and deep purple color underneath. This striking color contrast makes the Rhoeo plant perfect for indoor decoration, balconies, window sides, and garden borders. It's a hardy and low maintenance plant, which makes it ideal for beginners and people who want colorful plants with minimal care. Rhoeo plants grow best in bright, indirect sunlight, but they can also tolerate partial shade. Too much direct sunlight may fade the leaf color, while very low light can reduce growth. Water the plant only when the topsoil becomes dry. Overwatering can cause root rot, so proper drainage is very much important. The plant prefers a well-draining soil mix such as garden soil mixed with coco peat and compost. Occasional feeding with a mild liquid fertilizer once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season helps maintain healthy leaves and vibrant color. Rhoeo plants are also easy to propagate, mainly through division or stem cutting, which makes them great for sharing or expanding your garden. Apart from its beauty, the Rhoeo plant is believed to have air purifying qualities and is often considered a lucky plant in many homes. It stays compact, spreads slowly, and looks attractive in both pots and ground planting, making it a versatile choice for home gardens. When it comes to price in India, Rhoeo plants are very affordable. Small plants usually start from around 80 to 150. Medium-sized healthy potted plants ranges between 200 to 400 and will cost up to 500 to 700 depending on size, pot quality and local nursery or online seller. Next plant is Pandanus plant. Commonly known as screw pine, is a unique and attractive plant recognized for its long, narrow, spiky leaves that grow in a spiral pattern. It's mainly grown as an ornamental plant and is perfect for balconies, terrace garden, and bright indoor spaces. The Pandanus plants adds a bold tropical look to any area and is quite hardy and easy to maintain, making it suitable even for beginners. This plant grows best in bright indirect sunlight, but it can also tolerate some direct morning sun. It prefers moderate watering. Water the plant only when the topsoil feels dry, as excess water can harm the roots. A well-draining soil mix, such as garden soil mix with sand, compost, or cocoa peat, helps the plant grow healthy and strong. Pandanus plants do not require frequent fertilizing. Feeding once every month with a mild balanced fertilizer during the growing season is enough. The plant grows slowly and doesn't need regular pruning except for removing dry or damaged leaves. Apart from its decorative value, the Pandanus plant is also known for its air purifying ability and is believed to bring a fresh and positive atmosphere to the home. Its strong leaves and low care needs make it a long lasting plant for home gardens. In India, the price of Pandanus plants generally starts from around 200 to 300 for small plants, while healthy medium sized potted plants usually range between 500 to 1000 depending on the plant size, variety, and pot type. Next plant is Fern plant. Is a classic and elegant indoor plant known for its soft, feathery green leaves and fresh natural look. Ferns are widely used for home decoration, balconies, hanging baskets, and indoor corners because they instantly make any space feel cool, calm, and green. Popular fern varieties like Boston fern, button fern, and asparagus fern are specially loved for its indoor gardening. Fern plants are also known for their air purifying qualities and help improve humidity levels indoors. Fern plants grows best in bright, indirect light or partial shade. Direct sunlight can damage their delicate leaves, so filtered light is ideal. Ferns prefer slightly moist soil, so water regularly but avoid waterlogging. The soil should be well draining and rich in organic matter such as a mix of garden soil, cocoa peat, and compost. Ferns enjoy humidity, so occasional misting helps keep the leaves fresh and healthy. Feeding once a month with a liquid fertilizer during the growing season supports lush growth. Fern plants are gentle, non-woody plants requires a little regular care, but with proper light, moisture, and humidity, they grow beautifully and stay green for a long time. They are perfect for people who love soft leafy plants rather than flowering ones. In India, the price of fern plants usually starts from around 150 to 300 for small plants, while healthy medium to large fern plants in pots generally ranges between 400 to 1200 depending on the variety, size, and the seller. Today's last plant is Syngonium plant, also known as the Arrowhead plant. is a very popular and attractive indoor plant loved for its arrow-shaped leaves and fast-growing nature. It comes in many beautiful varieties such as green, white, pink, and variegated patterns, making it perfect for home decorations, hanging pots, shelves, and tabletops. Syngonium is easy care plant ideal for beginners and busy plant lovers. This plant grows best in bright indirect light, but it can also adapt well to low light condition. Direct sunlight should be avoided as it may burn the leaves. Water the plant when the topsoil feels slightly dry. Syngonium likes evenly moist soil but doesn't tolerate overwatering. A well-draining soil mix made of garden soil, coco peat, and compost works very well. The plant responds nicely to monthly feeding with a mild liquid fertilizer during the growing season. Syngonium is also very easy to propagate through stem cutting, making it a great plant to multiply and share. Besides its beauty, the Syngonium plant is known for its air purifying qualities and is believed to bring a fresh and positive vibe to indoor spaces. With proper care, it grows boozy and healthy, adding a lively green touch to your home. In India, the price of Syngonium plants generally start from around 150 to 300 for small plant and for large one 400 to 1200 depending on the variety and pot. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this plant care information was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more useful and easy garden tips. See you in the next video.